Hey there, Jeffrey here, a beauty director here at Sephora. And one question that I often get in the comments is, how do I actually discover my skin type? I feel like that's a common question that I hear from all of you guys out there. And I want to introduce you to a tool that will help you discover it even faster. Sephora has actually done a partnership with Google Home to create the Sephora Skincare Advisor. Basically, you can utilize your in-home application to open up and answer questions to discover your skin type in the comfort of your own home. How crazy is that? I think we should give it a try. Hey Google, talk to Sephora.
Okay, let's get Sephora.
Welcome to the Sephora Skincare Advisor. Great skin starts here. Would you rather discover your skin type or hear a skincare tip?
Help us discover our skin type.
Imagine you washed your face 2 hours ago. What's your skin like now? Please answer the following with yes or no. Do you notice oil on your forehead, nose, and chin, but also have areas of dryness or tightness?
Yes.
The results are in. You've got combination skin. Here's a quick beauty tip to jumpstart your skincare routine. Combination skin that is prone to clogged pores should experiment with cleansers that contain alpha hydroxy acids. These ingredients can be used daily to help skin get rid of dead skin that gets trapped inside pores and contributes to blemishes. We are here every day with new skincare tips, so please come back again. Have a beautiful day.
Well, thank you so much, Google. I mean, how innovative. Technology is everywhere and is working our way into our lives on a daily. Thank you for that amazing tip about alpha hydroxy acids. I definitely already use them. I use them on the daily. And the way that I get that is from the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Daily Peel Pads in extra strength. I've been using this product for about 2 years now, and I've seen amazing results in my skin. Better clarity, radiance, texture overall. I really feel like my makeup application is much smoother when I use these in the morning. So if you haven't tried these, be sure to pick them up at your local store. So Google is going to recommend products based off of all skin types. So what's really cool is we're gonna go through product by product and just kind of talk about some different skin types and what products might be great for them. First up, for oily skin, we have from Ole Henriksen the Cold Plunge Pore Mask. Now this is a sensorial dream. It's so cooling. It's got a nice refreshing feeling, but the results that you're gonna get are a tighter, cleaner looking pore. You're gonna notice overall clarity and a smooth texture to the skin, which is really, really awesome. Now you wanna use this probably 2 to 3 times a week for somebody who's really concerned with excessive oil production. And then you're gonna wanna use it in targeted areas. So like start in the center of the face and work your way out. It's really, really awesome. Go ahead and put a thick layer, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse it off. Next up, we have another fan favorite. This is the Peace Out Acne Healing Dots. Now, we've talked about this product on the channel before too because it's really innovative. These are really awesome to use day or night. All you have to do is put one of the little healing dots on the blemish, leave it for 6 hours, and you're gonna notice a reduction in the inflammation and redness of the blemish. This is really amazing. So next up, for those of you out there that have super dry skin, we have the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Moisturizer. This is jam-packed with skin hydrators that are gonna leave the skin feeling supple and bouncy. I love this guy. This one is also gonna deliver a time-release hydration, so you're getting 24 hours of moisture with this product. Really great for keeping that bounce in the skin, and for those of you that dry out their makeup halfway through the day, this is a great moisturizer to prep the skin with. So this is also jam-packed with antioxidant-rich vitamin E, which is hydrating and protects the skin from external aggressors. So next up for dry skin, we have an amazing deep cleansing remover from Pharmacy. This is called the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Now, I've really been getting into balm cleansers because they're great for the first step of a double cleanse. Basically, you're gonna use this to remove and melt down that makeup. Also, it's infused with Echinacea Green Envy, which is a potent antioxidant. So also you've got moringa tree extract, which is gonna help to remove impurities from the skin. Then you've got papaya enzymes and extracts, which help to slough off dead skin, basically with an enzymatic exfoliation. So last we have normal skin. Now normal skin can always benefit from introducing a form of vitamin C into their routine. From Drunk Elephant, we have the C Firma Day Serum. Now this is gonna really help to firm and brighten the skin. It's got a 15% L-ascorbic acid complex that's gonna help to brighten. One of the most potent forms of vitamin C that you can find. Then it also has pumpkin ferment extract, which is gonna really help to retexturize and smooth. Love this. So if you can't tell, technology and innovation is everywhere, and it's definitely at Sephora. I'm really excited about our collaboration with Google Home, and if you have one, awesome. If not, be sure to check it out. So if you have any more questions about our collaboration with Google Home, be sure to shout them out in the comment section below because Sephora will be answering. And as always, if you're not a subscriber of this channel, what are you doing? Click the button because we've got more amazing, innovative technology headed your way. Until next time, we'll see you soon. Ciao for now. Okay, Google, say bye.
I'll catch you on the flip side, whatever that means.